Today I'm going to be making something very special. But before I get into the video, I just want to take the time out to say hello and welcome aboard. Welcome to my community, to all my new subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much for your comment. Thank you for liking the video and sharing the video. Wherever you're watching from, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, just a little ding. And don't forget to like the video and share them. This means the world to me. Now let's get into our video. We're going to be making some bone broth soup. It's not even much of a soup, like, a thick soup like what I'm accustomed to making and having, but I'm going to make this bone broth just so that we can have it as more like a tea, or a lot of us are going in the month of fasting and consecration where our diet is going to be shifting during this time, and we want to still maintain, a healthy body. And it also can be used for healing purposes too. So let's get right into it. Here's the bone broth. This tastes so good. The broth is just light but very nutritious, guys. Gelatinous, full of rich flavors, guys. Has healing properties. Yeah, good for your gut health, or my gut health, right? So give it a try. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video, guys. My bone broth. And until next time, I'll catch you in my upcoming videos. Bye for now. Yeah, man.